If you're looking to understand how to use Mailchimp for testing your campaigns, you're in the right place. Stick around until the end because I'll show you the easiest way to test your campaigns and make sure you're reaching the right audience with the right content, all using Mailchimp. First off, you can start using Mailchimp for completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Check out the first link below for access to that. Now, let's dive into how to get the most out of testing your campaigns in Mailchimp. The first thing you should know about Mailchimp testing is the A/B testing feature. This allows you to experiment with different subject lines, email content, or sender names to find what resonates best with your audience. You can create multiple versions of your email, and Mailchimp will automatically send them to a small segment of your list before rolling it out to the rest. This gives you valuable data on what works, so you can optimize future campaigns. Next thing, let's talk about split testing. Split testing is similar to A/B testing, but it offers a bit more control. Instead of testing just one element at a time, you can test a combination of factors like subject lines, design, content, and CTA buttons. Mailchimp's split testing feature makes it easy to choose your variables, and you can also see how different versions perform over time. The third thing that'll take your Mailchimp testing game up a notch is using your emails analytics. After you send out a campaign, Mailchimp gives you detailed reports on how your emails perform. You'll see open rates, click rates, bounce rates, and much more. This gives you insights into what worked and what didn't, so you can refine your strategy in the future. Now, let's move on to tracking different audience segments. One of Mailchimp's most powerful features is segmentation. You can create segments based on your subscribers' activity, like opening previous emails, clicking on links, or even their location. By testing with these segments, you can personalize campaigns and really hone in on what's most relevant to different groups of your audience. The fifth thing to keep in mind when using Mailchimp for testing is timing. You might think that sending emails at any time will yield the same results, but Mailchimp allows you to test different send times for each campaign. You can schedule your campaigns to send at different times to see what leads to higher open rates and engagement. Lastly, if you want to dig deeper, consider setting up automated tests. Mailchimp's automation features let you test emails that are triggered by specific actions, like someone signing up for your newsletter or making a purchase. You can test different automated workflows to see which ones drive the most engagement. In conclusion, Mailchimp offers an impressive set of tools for testing your campaigns, from A/B testing and split testing to segmenting your audience and analyzing performance. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to optimize your email marketing and make sure you're delivering exactly what your audience wants. Don't forget, the link in the description below gives you access to Mailchimp for free, along with exclusive bonuses. Go ahead and grab your extended free trial today.